What is up, guys? It's your boy Andy Arts, and I finally got this tablet that I've been looking at on Amazon for a while. This is the Artist Pro 16 Gen 2. Now, I never had the first one, but I'm excited to get this one. This is the XP Pen Artist Pro 16 Display 2, and it comes with the 3-in-1 cables. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's go ahead and start opening this bad boy. Now, like I do in all my videos, I only got one hand to work with, so bear with me. I gotta lift this box off somehow. Alright, and here we go. Here's the tablet, so covered in plastic, right? So covered up. And if, hold on a second, let me just make space here. Got a lot of stuff here. Just gotta make some space. Let's go ahead and pull this up. Wow, this is pretty thick. All right, and let's see what it comes with. So here we got, oh, this is the stylus. Here we got the stylus. Hold on, guys. Here we got the stylus, and actually here's got the little button that when you push it out. All right, so wow, this is pretty cool. So take a look at this. This is the stylus of the XP Pen stylus. I don't know why this camera is like keeps blurring out. Here, check it out. So it's got the little USB plug with the nibs, white nibs, black nibs. I always use the black ones. And then, so let's put this back in here. Right. And then of course we have, this is the charger, right, the adapter, and it looks like it comes with a bunch of different types of plugs depending on what kind of plug you have on your wall. Oh wow, so it comes better ready depending on like what type of plug you have. Oh, so they really thought about like where you could connect it. This is absolutely fantastic. What's in here? I'm thinking this is the manual, and this is a charger. Oh yeah, so this yeah, actually this goes right in here for you to charge it, right? And this is the manual. You know what's funny? What's funny is that I don't see that it has a glove. Oh yeah, this is the little keypad. Little keypad. I actually like this. I got the Huion keypad, and I really like these. They make things simple. And the reason why I like this is because they save up a lot of space, right? It's a lot of space because, you know, when you have like a keyboard like this, look at this keyboard. This takes up a lot of space. So having something like this helps you save up, you know, just real estate on your desk. All right, so we got that. What else do we have here? What we got here? We have our, this is the warranty card, right? Warranty policy. Okay. Ooh, yes, I need one of these actually. Little wiper to clean the tablet. And here's the glove. I was wondering where it was. And the quick guide manual, which I'm gonna take a look on later. Right? And what else do we need? What's in here? What's in here? Hold on. Oh, here, this is the cables. Yes. So these are the cables, basically more cables, and I imagine these go. Also, it's got different adapters, right? It's got different types of adapters. So this is like a USB adapter. So it's got different types of plugs depending on what kind of computer you have, depending on what type of depending on what type of computer device. So they really went, you know, the extra mile to provide you with every single way that you could plug your computer to pretty much anything. So a laptop, tablet, smartphone, desktop, everything. So this is fantastic. And on top of that, it came in with the 3-in-1 cable. Now I've seen other reviews where like you don't really get this. This comes separately. Hold on. Let's go ahead and open this. Yeah, the 3-in-1 cable. Here it is. So yes, I've seen reviews where it doesn't come with the 3-in-1 cable, but you know, I hope you guys get lucky. And let's go ahead and make some space. So I'm gonna go ahead and stand this up and then connect it to the computer. I'll be right back, guys. By the way, guys, once you get your tablet, make sure to go to this website. All right, if you can see it, xppen.com, right? And you're gonna go over here. Ah, man, the focus is awful. Sorry, guys. You're gonna go over here where it says drivers, right? So right over here where it says drivers, and you gotta download the software to be able to use the tablet. And then once you download it, you're gonna get this icon, right? This, dang it, right here. This icon right here. When you get the XP Pen, and yeah. Once you download it, then you have to go ahead and connect your tablet. What is up, everybody? So I actually got the tablet all set up. I got the you know, what do you call it? The little shortcut keys here is all programmed, everything worked out. And in case you guys are wondering, this software right here, I show you guys that you have to go to the XP Pen website, download the drivers, and here you'll be able to program the keys, right? All you have to do is just enter on your keyboard, just enter which letter you want to program to which key, and you're all set. You can also program, you can set up your workplace, you know, like the length, how wide you want the tablet to be. You can also program the pen. The great thing about this right here, this is actually an eraser. This is actually an eraser, and I really like this. I like the fact that they added an eraser here. Also, there's 2 keys here. I use the bottom key here, this one for a color picker, and this one for right clicking. So this is very customizable, it's very great. And one of the things that I like about the screen, it is laminated, it's anti-glare. And this is something that I've actually been looking for so that I can do like ASMR videos. And the great thing about this, hold on. Well, you can't zoom in, but the great thing about this is that, let me create a new layer here. I'm gonna create a new layer. So the great thing about this is that I like, it feels very great. It feels very smooth. Like, I like the sound that it makes. Like, you guys hear that? Yeah, I really like this sound. And again, so if we flip it over, here we have an eraser. This is absolutely fantastic. And this is great because it just saves a lot of time. You know, it saves just a lot of time, you know. Hold on. So the screen feels great. I really like the way this feels. I really like, it just feels very smooth, this anti-glare. So you don't see a lot of reflection, right? You don't see a lot of like, hold on, let me fix this back here. Try to lower this. So you don't see, like, for example, I have a light, so I have a light in that direction, there's a light coming, but the reflection, it doesn't, there's not a lot of reflection bouncing off, like kind of like a mirror, like how a lot of computer screens do. So I really like this. So this is good for for like YouTube videos. So how the experience, how it feels here, along with the key, is actually very great, very smooth. I use Clip Studio Paint, and as a matter of fact, I just finished drawing. This is what I just finished drawing. I don't know, can you guys see it? Let me see if I can just zoom in a little more. There you go. All right, you guys can see that. Yeah, so I just finished drawing this. And I just did this like in the last, hold on, let me. Yeah, this is so smooth. Now at first when you try to set this up, what happens is that, let me show you guys. Some people might have some trouble with the screen setup here, right? Hold on. Some people might have some trouble with the screen setup here. So, like when you click on work area, what happens is that when you open up your software, it seems as though the pen, like the cursor is not lining up with the pen. But really, all you have to do is just set it up over here to all monitor, full screen. Set it up to full screen, set full screen right here, this option, and you're all set. Because otherwise what's gonna happen, you're gonna notice that the cursor on the computer is not following the pen on the exact location, and really it's just that you're not setting up the display in full screen. So make sure you get those configurations in that setting correctly, so that to be able to avoid that issue. Other than that, you won't have much problems. So, and as you can see here, I'm just kind of showing you guys the how it feels to work on this thing. It's absolutely fantastic. Yeah, I mean, I'm really just enjoying this altogether, Let me just show you. So this is what I've been drawing so far. Let's go ahead and give him some hair. Just get the hairline here. Man, I really like the fact that they put an eraser here. As you can see, this is absolutely great. And basically all I have to do here is just kind of like set up my workstation. I don't really, because I was drawing, if you guys know, I was drawing on my Samsung Galaxy Book 3 360, and my work setting is completely different from this, so I gotta go ahead and fix all of this. Other than that, this tablet is fantastic. The customization is absolutely fantastic. You can customize the screen display, you can customize the pen. What you can do here, you can actually test out your pen here. It lets you test it out. You can change your pen pressure here, right? You can actually change it here, pen pressure. And Windows Ink. And where is it? You can customize the shortcut key. Yeah, customize the shortcut key. Is absolutely fantastic. You really can't go wrong with this tablet. So if you're wondering if you should buy this tablet, I say yes. After testing it out, I definitely do want to keep it. The only thing is, because since I've been drawing on a Samsung tablet, I'm so used to pinching and zooming in and out, and this tablet doesn't have that feature. So if you're used to that, if you're used to like pinching, that feature is not here. This is not a touchscreen. So I'm sorry guys, it's not a touchscreen. So yeah, it'll be great if it was a touchscreen. That is the only thing that I kind of didn't like about this tablet, that it's not a touchscreen. But other than that, I highly recommend you get it. It's very smooth, it's very good for YouTube videos, and yeah, other than that, I'm gonna end the video here. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell for future notifications. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, tell me what you think, guys. And I'll see you in the next art video, tech video. And have a good day. Godspeed, baby.